Good morning, dear students. Our next chapter in chemistry is second chapter. Is matter around us pure? But according to revised syllabus, now some portion of this chapter has been deleted. In our syllabus now the topics are in the starting on page 14, 15, mixture, solution, suspension, colloid, up to page number 18. I will teach you from page number 14 to page number 18. Then there are some separation techniques which are now deleted from the syllabus better. Now after that page number 25 and 26 is in your syllabus. Now let me tell you nature of matter. Means matter क्या है? In your previous chapter, means in first chapter I told you that solid, liquid and gases are the three states of matter. Now how is matter? Matter है कैसा? प्योर है, इम्प्योर है, किस तरीके का है? इस चैप्टर में ये वाली चीज बताई जाएगी. Look here बेटा, matter is divided into two parts, pure and impure. Pure and impure. Now what is pure matter? What are pure substances? The substances which are made up of only one type of particles are called pure substances, and impure more than one type of particles. More than one type of particles. For example, beta, I am having water. Look here. Water has the formula H2O. It is pure because it is made up of only one type of particles. Again, beta, I am having this magnesium ribbon. Look here. It is also made up of only one type of particles. Means it has only magnesium metal. Means atoms. It is made up of atoms of only magnesium. So these are the pure substances. And I am having sugar. Let me dissolve some sugar in water. Now it has become impure. Means it is made up of more than one type of particles. We can call it mixture also. So matter is divided into pure substances, impure, or we can call it mixture also. Now this become mixture because we are adding sugar as per our choice. It is not having the fixed composition here, means it is not compulsory that we have to add only 1 spoon of sugar to 1 glass of water. It depends upon our taste. I am having some iron fillings also. Look here, on the magnet iron fillings are there. Iron is also a pure substance because it is made up of only one type of atom. So now I told you about pure substance and impure substance, which we call as mixture also beta. Now pure substance are again divided into two parts, elements and compounds. Now what are elements? What are elements beta? Elements are made up of only one type of substance or matter. Means एक ही टाइप के particles के बने होते हैं. और atoms के we call it an atom. Just now I will tell you. Means for example आप लोगों ने हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, इतने सारे एलिमेंट्स पढ़े हैं. इन सबके सिंबल्स भी पढ़े हैं. जैसे हाइड्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम. अगर हाइड्रोजन गैस है तो इसमें सभी हाइड्रोजन के ही एटम्स हैं. Similarly, in case of helium, all the helium gas is made up of only helium atom. Let me take iron. here is iron. I am having iron. This iron has only one type of particle. This iron has only one type of particles or atoms. We can say it has the atoms of iron only. So it is an element. Similarly, gold. Gold is also an element. It is made up of only one type of atoms of gold. बेटा ये होते हैं. एक और एग्जांपल दे दो चलो. मैग्नीशियम रिबन. मैग्नीशियम इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ वन टाइप ऑफ एटम्स. तो ये जो है आपके एलिमेंट्स है. तो आपके ये आ गए हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, देन आयरन, देन मैग्नीशियम. ऑल दीज आर एलिमेंट्स. आप लोगों के पास आपको 10th में पढ़ाया जाएगा पीरियोडिक टेबल. उसमें सभी इस तरीके से एलिमेंट्स है बहुत सारे. आपको मैं दिखा भी दूंगी. उसमें ये सारे एलिमेंट्स जो अकेले हैं मीन्स इनको मिला के कंपाउंड बनते हैं. मीन्स पूरी दुनिया के अंदर जो भी जो सब्सटेंस बना हुआ है, कोई भी मैटर बना हुआ है, वो इन एलिमेंट से ही बना है. जैसे शुगर है. शुगर इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. मीन्स शुगर का अगर फॉर्मूला है क्योंकि उसमें कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन आती है. और कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन क्या है? एलिमेंट है. ऐसे ही वाटर है आपका बेटा. वाटर है. वाटर का फॉर्मूला होता है H2O. इट इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ एलिमेंट. अब एलिमेंट के ये एटम्स हैं. मीन्स 2 एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. लेकिन हाइड्रोजन क्या है? एक एलिमेंट है. तो ये जो है जो सिंगल रूप में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, सिंगल फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एलिमेंट्स. नाउ कम टू द कंपाउंड्स. कंपाउंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ elements, but here the elements combine in a fixed ratio. For example, water, H2O, CO2. If we consider water, water has fixed formula. It is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. It is carbon dioxide is made up of 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. It has a fixed formula. Let me take sodium chloride. This is our common salt. It also has a fixed formula, NaCl. If I ask you to give me tell me the formula of common salt, you will say NaCl. Means common salt is made up of sodium and chlorine. It has fixed formula. So these are called compounds. Now, elements are further divided into 3 categories. You read in 8th standard also beta. 3 parts: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Metals, which are malleable, ductile, hard, beaten into sheets. For example, this is magnesium. It is a metal. It is ductile. That is why it is beaten into thin sheet. You can see. Means a wire is made, then it is beaten. Then I am having one more metal. Look here. It is a spoon. It is metal, but it is an alloy. That I will tell you later on. It will come in the mixture. I am having iron here. This is iron. It is also metal. So, like this, gold, copper, gold, all these are metals which are hard. For example, hard can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductile है, hard. Luster, they have luster. इसकी कुछ properties हैं. They have 8th में आपने पढ़ी थी. और सोनोरस है, मीन्स साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दे आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कॉपर वायर में से करंट पास करते तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है. तो आयरन, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम एक्सेट्रा, दीज आर द मेटल्स. गोल्ड, सिल्वर. देन कम्स नॉन मेटल्स. बेटा, you have seen that there is oxygen in our atmosphere. Nitrogen is also there, a gas. Hydrogen is a gas. These are non-metals. Then carbon is non-metal. It is in solid form. These are gases, it is solid. Similarly, sulfur, all these are non-metals. They are not ductile and malleable. They don't have luster. In case of non-metals, बेटा आयोडीन हैज अ लस्टर. तो इस तरीके से ये जो एलिमेंट्स हैं इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉन मेटल्स. जो डक्टाइल नहीं है, मैलेबल नहीं है, पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है इनमें से. लेकिन कार्बन की जो ग्रेफाइट फॉर्म होती है, कार्बन की जो ग्रेफाइट फॉर्म होती है, दैट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो ये जो है सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस तीनों स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. बट हेयर मेटल्स एग्जिस्ट इन सॉलिड स्टेट एक्सेप्ट मर्करी. मर्करी एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड स्टेट बेटा. सो इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, these are non-metals. Now come to the metalloids. There are some elements which shows the properties of metals as well as non-metals. They are called metalloids. For example, germanium, arsenic. They behave like metal as well as non-metal. So this was all about elements which are three types: metals, metalloids and non-metals. And further I told you about pure substance are divided into two groups: elements and compounds. Elements are further divided into metals, metalloids and non-metals, and compounds are water, carbon dioxide, etc. Now impure substances or mixture. If we consider mixture, let me divide it into two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, we are dividing it into two categories according to their composition. Means homogeneous mixtures are those which have uniform composition throughout, and heterogeneous which do not have uniform composition throughout. For example, beta, I am having water. I think just before now I dissolved sugar in it. I think now sugar is not visible to you. Now the particles of sugar are not visible. So it has uniform composition throughout. बेटा इसमें सभी में एक जैसी कंपोजिशन हो गई है. आपको शुगर और वाटर के पार्टिकल्स अलग अलग नहीं दिखाई दे रहे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. सेम वे सॉल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर एंड कॉमन साल्ट, दैट इज आल्सो होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. बट लेट मी टेक सम आयरन पीसेस and let me dissolve it in water. Look here beta, look here. Now the iron particles or iron element, the iron here, you can see that it is visible to you. Means आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि इसके अंदर आयरन पड़ा हुआ है. आपको अगर दिखाई देता है means it is a heterogeneous mixture, the mixture which do not have uniform composition. Let me take one more example. I am having sugar and iron filling. Some iron filling is there and I am taking sugar. Let me mix it. Now you can see here iron filling is also there and sugar crystals are also there. Means you can differentiate them, that both are visible to you. So we can say that it is a heterogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixture, the mixture which have uniform composition. And here the mixture which has non-uniform composition. Here you can take a solution of water plus sugar, completely soluble. No separate boundaries are there, but here I had mixed sugar plus iron film. This is heterogeneous mixture.